Asalamu'Alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. I pray that you are all in the best of health and iman. Guys, I pray that Ramadan is going very well for you guys so far, and I pray that you are grabbing every single moment of it because it is just running away from us super fast. Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another update on the masjid that we are all trying to build for the sake of Allah and how far we have come, as I promised that I would. And also in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys who live internationally how you can also donate. I have not been ignoring your emails. I have seen your emails and messages about having difficulties donating. For those of you who live outside of the United Kingdom, and alhamdulillah, we have managed to sort it out. There is now a way that you can donate that is, insha'Allah, will be very straightforward. So those of you who are international viewers and would love to donate, stay tuned to this video because I'm going to be giving you guys all the information that you're going to need to do that. Okay guys, so alhamdulillah, I can now announce that for the most part we have completed the foundations for this masjid. So downstairs is completed, the foundations. Upstairs is also completed, and we have also got a roof over the masjid, alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. The day before yesterday, I was just asking for my own understanding, because it looks like this is going to be a very big masjid, and I was asking roughly how many people can this masjid take, and I was given the numbers of between 1,500 to 2,000 people. So this is not by any means a small masjid. So alhamdulillah for how far we have come. Our next target is to get the doors and windows fixed. We have a quote roughly for about £9,000 in order to be able to do that, which I think goes about $12,000 to get those windows and doors fixed in. So as you guys can see, we still have some way to go, but despite that guys, alhamdulillah, they have prayed their first Jumma in this masjid, despite the fact that it doesn't even have doors and windows.
اللهم يا مصرف القلوب ثبت قلوبنا على طاعتك. اللهم انك عفو كريم تحب العفو فاعف عنا. اللهم اجعل سير اليوم بلدا امنا مطمئنا رخاء وسائر بلاد المسلمين. اللهم اجعل سير اليوم بلدا امنا مطمئنا رخاء وسائر بلاد المسلمين. اللهم اجعل سير اليوم بلدا امنا مطمئنا رخاء وسائر بلاد المسلمين. آمين.
And that is just so touching to share with you guys how much the people of this town really need this masjid. And I said that I would ask where this masjid is exactly, so that, you know, if ever you guys visit, or those of you from Sierra Leone, you will know exactly what masjid it is. And so I have been told that this masjid is in Yams Farm in Freetown. Again, it's in an area called Yams Farm in Freetown. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen for that. So in addition to the 8 doors, we also need 2 single doors. So we need 8 double doors, and in addition to that, we also need 2 single doors. So that is 27 windows in total and 10 doors in total. Obviously, we took on this project following what the brother whom had passed away has started. So the foundations were already there. So we're just trying to complete what was left over. So yeah, it was already planned out to be a very, very big masjid. And I think that it's going to be a great center for not just the people in the Yams area, but also for the people of Freetown in general, because this masjid can occupy quite a lot of Muslims, and alhamdulillah rabbil alameen for that. So guys, if you would like to donate for the sake of Allah, and I plead with you to donate for the sake of Allah, we are in the month of the Ramadan, and every good deed that you do is going to be multiplied. And to think about the number of people that are going to be praying in this masjid is too good an opportunity to actually miss. And for every single person that prays in this masjid, you and I are going to gain reward from that. It is hard nowadays to find people who are willing to put their money where their mouth is, as the saying goes. And so I really want you guys to take up the opportunity, and myself included, to be a part of something amazing such as building a masjid for the sake of Allah. I also want to plead to those of you who watch my videos who are quite well off. Alhamdulillah, Allah has blessed you with more more wealth than others, I also want to plead with you guys to, you know, give generously and to donate generously for the sake of Allah. Use this as an opportunity to show Allah how grateful you are for the abundance that He has given you. And even for those of you who don't have anything to give, I appreciate you guys, the dua that you make for this masjid and everything. I really do appreciate it. But like I said, the physical funds is really what is going to also help us really get there. So I plead with you guys to donate for the sake of Allah towards the completion of this masjid. We are so close and I am so proud. Like, there has been a few things in my life that I've done that I felt so proud of, but to be part of this is just incredible. The fact that Allah has chosen you and I to be a part of something so amazing for as long as this masjid stands. And it might stand longer than our lifetime. We will continue to gain ajr and we will continue to gain reward from that. And that in and of itself is a blessing from Allah. It's not everyone that Allah gives this opportunity to. So I pray that you and I will grab this opportunity and that we will be able to do this and be part of this. And so that on the day of judgment, when we stand before Allah and Allah asks you and I, how did we spend our wealth? This could be one of the things that we can say, Allah, I spent it in your cause and I spent it towards the building of a masjid so that other Muslims can stand and pray and worship you. You and I might never ever visit this masjid. We might never actually see it with our own two eyes. But perhaps it is the reward that will come with all the people who will worship in this masjid that will benefit us not only in our dunya, but also in our graves and also in the hereafter. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless you, to bless your family, to make it a means of sadaqah to jariyah for you. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to increase you in wealth. For the fact that you did not withhold what Allah gave you and you used it as an opportunity to spend in His cause, I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to multiply that wealth for you, to increase you in beneficial wealth, wealth that will be of benefit, wealth that will have barakah, wealth that will benefit you and your family and also the ummah at large and even the non-Muslims. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make it a means of light for you on the day of judgment, to make it a means of relief from all of the difficulties that you face. Thank you so much, guys, for each and every single one of you. Even if all you donated was £1, that in and of itself is good. So thank you so much. Now, moving on to those of you guys who live internationally who would like to donate, we now have a bank account number that you can donate into. The bank is Barclays, okay? Barclays Bank, I know they exist in most major cities in the world. So Barclays Bank is the bank that we are using. I'm going to leave the full international number that you can take to your bank and make payments into, and insha'Allah it will go through. If it doesn't go through, let me know again, but alhamdulillah, I know that we have sorted this out and that you guys can now donate via that bank account. So if you want to make a one-off payment towards it, or if you want to set up a direct debit for the next few months towards it, then definitely go ahead. All of the information is in the description box down below. I will leave the full details in there for you guys to internationally give. But those of you who are also in the UK who want to give again in this month of Ramadan to reap the rewards, then definitely I'm also going to leave a link down below to the website where you can click and donate straight away. I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you guys the confidence to be part of this, and I pray that the shaitan will not start whispering in your ears. I'm not here to take anyone's money. I don't need it, subhanallah. Just the even thought of it. But I know that some people might be skeptical on these things. But all I can say is that whomever Allah has willed will gain good from this, will gain good from this. Alhamdulillah, Allah has provided me with more than enough of my own. I am more than content with what I have. I have zero interest in taking anything that belongs to anyone. I am not here to eat fire by eating the wealth that is not my own. Neither are my brothers who are also involved in this project. So all I can say is that I pray that you guys will trust that every single penny that you give towards this will go towards the cause that you have given for it to be used for, and Allah is our witness. So guys, Jazakallah khair for watching this video. I pray that you guys are feeling so proud and so happy with how far we have come so far, and that you can now see the fruits of your labor. Again, I thank you guys so much for donating. Don't forget to continue to donate for the sake of Allah. Okay guys, so that is it. Inshallah, when next you see me make an update to the masjid video, we will be even closer to completing this masjid. And Jazakallah khair guys for watching. Inshallah, I will see you guys in the next few days. Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.